And ma'am, for English, how long have you been practice your English?
Teaching?
Yes, ma'am. For English, yeah, spoken English, yeah.
Yes, spoken English. I am teaching from the past 6 or 7 months now.
6 or 7 months. Okay.
That's
Okay.
but
So, ma'am,
I'm learning from a long time, but I'm teaching from around 7 months.
okay, okay. You are learning from longer, but you just start teaching.
Yes, yes.
So, ma'am, what's your mode, online, offline?
Only online.
Only online. So,
Yeah.
in YouTube only or some other things?
No, no, only on YouTube. That's all.
Just to make videos and
Yeah.
great, ma'am. So, ma'am, means what are you doing for learning English?
Right now, I'm doing only listening and speaking practice. That is it. Because I don't have time for any other activity currently. So I just listen to a lot of content. I watch sometimes, but now I'm speaking a lot for my YouTube sessions. I take sessions for YouTube. So I'm speaking a lot. So only these two practice I'm doing.
Okay, ma'am. And before that, your
Before
focus.
that, I used to do some reading. I like reading books. So that was not, in order to improve my English. It was just
Yeah.
I liked reading books. That's it. I used to do a lot of reading and writing, listening, and I would watch all types of content. I didn't do anything specifically to improve my English.
Uh, ma'am, you are like to reading books, so you are reading books. And ma'am, what about grammar? Do you focus on grammar as well?
No, I don't learn grammar separately. I don't focus more on grammar. It's more about the speaking part, right? So your grammar has to be right when you're speaking. So I don't learn grammar separately.
You know basic grammar. Basic
Yeah.
grammar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Basic grammar, which I learned in my school. That is it. After that, I never learned grammar.
okay, okay. After that, you never learn grammar.
No.
Just for improving your fluency, so you are only focused on listening and reading part. So if
Listening and
we
speaking.
speaking, yes, I'm sorry, speaking. So if we are only focus on fluency, so is it okay? Yeah, is it enough if we only focus on these two parts?
Yeah. Fluency is mainly about speaking, right? You need to put your thoughts into words. That is the main thing. So listening will give you the input for it. And by speaking, you are putting out whatever input is there, you're giving an output of it. So I think listening and speaking is enough for you if you want fluency.
What about ma'am speaking practice? Means
Yeah.
if you don't have any person in with you, so how do you practice in
See,
speaking?
yeah, now I'm having a lot of people whom I can talk to because I get mails every day. So I'm not short of people. I practice with everyone. Like I practice in I think 2 or 3 learners every day minimum. So that is how I'm doing the speaking practice.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, the question is for me and so many people. If we don't have any
You're
environment,
alone.
yeah. So how can we practice?
Yeah, you can. You need to look for such friends who you can practice English with. Otherwise, now there are a lot of apps, right? Free apps are there. So you can it will give you free talk time also. You can just call and have conversations, audio calls. You can have that.
Yes, but I think, ma'am, in free apps, there is some people who are serious in such topic and improve their fluency just like that, and some people are not serious because so many people are giving the reply, I'm using this app for just time pass or I'm feeling getting bored. Yeah.
So you just cut the call and connect it to the another person. That is it. Because something is better than nothing, right? But like staying alone and not practicing, at least it is better calling up and trying to practice.
Yes, and there is one more thing, ma'am. If in front of the mirror,
Yeah, in front of the mirror you can record yourself on the phone. Then you can do imitation also when you're watching some movie. You can imitate how they are speaking. So all this comes under speaking practice.